UMDC ka BJP Natura Constituency Bernard Marak Ulakano Bau Mentirongba ka Jala Megalea Conrad ke Sangma Ubade MLA ke NPP na Sautura Ulapndonkam da buit po Banyonong Sang Partai Namar ka Jingting Yosarem hak elekshon ji Nomi Khamat Sayeng do Barthawan ka Jala House Nam Arjar Arpulai Bernard Ulakano Bakaladan ka Jingwan Khanra Klamwaran da Pulit ya ka farmhouse jongu haka Edenbury haka por Janmi jongka Arpuar tari Noitung Arja Arpuar Uloong baki pulit kilasim na kibriu na surok baset iki hakate ke caka. Uniu MDC ulak noru baki samlak NPP kilata hakikan ro hakaleng kasortura ikjingtho rengkat kakerteng jogu ban penbut nam sniu u bat ulaban ngam ban ujor dak i jahar.
Actually, I came to Shillong for the state executive meeting and to celebrate the presidential victory of our candidate. No, so in the evening, I came to know that some policemen have gone to my farm without warrant. They have not informed me also, and I'm not aware that they have warrant or not. And they have just intruded into my farm, and they have taken people who were outside, like from the roadside also. No, they have taken them to the farm, and they have detained them all in my farm. So my boys who were there in the farm, they have actually moved away from the farm in fear of policemen coming into the farm. So now they have detained the public who were whom they have taken from the roadside, and most of them are still in the farm only. So many of them are sending me messages that why this is being done to us. No, so it can be clearly seen that CM is using all the state machineries against me, since I'm a potential candidate against him in the next upcoming election. So it is a political vendetta to harass the public and to bring a bad name to my approach to fight the election. All my businesses have been stopped by the NPP-led executive committee under the leadership of CM only. And now, whatever business I have, they're targeting each and every one of it and closing it down, and creating a fear psychosis so that people don't associate with me or people don't support me. So it's purely a political vendetta that is being planted against me.
Right. So when did this happen, sir?
This evening. And today morning also there was quite a lot of posters in Tura just mentioning my name, no? But they have not given in detail who has pasted those posters. So yesterday also there was some posting by some NPP youths. So it's all connected actually. They were trying to blame me for not issuing patta, but I am just opposing the patta which is issued under the non-scheduled areas, which does not fall under the 6th schedule. But whatever is under the 6th schedule provision, I don't object that, but I am objecting the pattas issued under the non-hill provision, which is unconstitutional and illegal. So they are trying to politicize the entire scenario into something that will permanently damage my image, and people will not feel free to associate with me. So it is a pre-planned conspiracy against me.
Why has this happened now? You're clearly saying that there's a political vendetta. Another thing, have they found anything against you by going to your farmhouse? Have they found any evidence of any wrongdoing there?
No, there is nothing there in the farm. It is just I have some rooms there. I just rented it out for this one, no? For people who are coming from outside and all, no? It's a very low-cost rooms only. So I rent those rooms. So it's a farmhouse, which I am trying to build it into a resort. Okay. And there is nothing illegal in that. And but we are very suspicious that they might plan something, since I have become a big threat to the CM. So it's obviously it has been done by the permission and knowledge of the CM. So obviously we are suspecting that something might be planted against me so that they can permanently malign my image.
Right. You have also mentioned in the PR that you will be filing an FIR. If you can just tell us about that.
Yes, yes, I will surely be filing FIR because how can they just intrude into my personal property, no? It is a personal property and it's a personal area. So they should at least inform me that they're coming, or if they have any complaint against anyone or that place, they should at least inform me, no? Yeah, they should have informed. But since they have just trespassed and uh, taken the public from the roadside and they're detaining them in my farmhouse, so obviously I have to file an FIR.